China is claimed to be running a crazy project to develop a new generation fighter jet that can fight U.S. jets. China's ambition is also said to make the U.S. even more wary of being rivaled by Beijing in modernizing the main means of the defense system, as quoted by the Asia Times. The sixth-generation fighter jet is said to have advanced in new technologies such as modular designs, smart machines, artificial intelligence software, virtual and augmented reality, a collection of drones, and options between crewed or unmanned aircraft. Quoting The Drive, commander of the U.S. Air Combat Command, General Mark D. Kelly, assessed that the fighter jet was made as a response to the U.S. Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance (GAD) program. Kelly believes China wants to build jets with the same overall integrated systems that the U.S. is currently developing. GAD itself is a fighter jet that is more than just a sixth-generation manned fighter. GAD was developed to include collaborative drones capable of working with manned aircraft plus new weapons, sensors and communications architectures. Kelly believes China is designing its sixth generation of air power to the war zone by exponentially reducing signature and exponentially accelerating processing and sensing power. Kelly also said the fighter jet was expected to have the ability to iterate or repeat improvements assisted by an open mission system. China's experience in developing an iterative approach with reworked Soviet-built Flanker series fighters puts Chinese jets on par with GADs. In fact, said Kelly, it could be a good start, so the U.S. must race to stay ahead. China is building a first-class air force, Kelly said. We have to get there before they, China, do. It won't end well if we don't act soon, he said.